Hello. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get this amazing $100 promo code. As you can see, I already have my coupon and everything works fine. Okay, let's get started. First, take your mobile device. This trick works only on Android and iOS. Let's jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. Visit promohub.pro and find your coupon. Now insert all necessary details and click the Proceed button. The last step is a simple verification process. Just click the Verify button and complete 2 tasks. Remember to follow the instructions below task. Now back to browser and check the verification status. As you can see, my verification is completed. Let's check the mailbox. I got my coupon in mail. Thanks for watching and enjoy the promo codes.